fearful. And believe it or not, there's actually a fear index that tracks all of this. It's called the VIX, short for Volatility Index, and it spikes when investors panic. In March 2020, during the COVID crash, the VIX hit over 80, which was higher than the 2008 financial crisis. But here's the crazy part. From March of 2009 to February 2020, right before COVID, the market experienced the longest bull run in US history. The S&P 500 gained over 400%, and trying to time that would have been impossible. A study from Fidelity found that the best performing accounts were owned by people who had either forgotten about them or had passed away because they never tried to time the market. They just held on. Another study showed that from 2003 to 2022, a $10,000 investment would have grown to over $500,000 if you stayed fully invested from 1988 to 2024. But if you were going to try to time the market and you missed just the top 5 best days in the stock market out of 37 years, that would leave you with $330,000, which is still a lot of money, but that's 37% less. And if you miss just the top 10 best days out of 37 years, you would have less than half of what you could have made. And it gets progressively worse from there. And the crazy part is that the best days come right after the worst days, right after those crashes and corrections when that VIX fear index spikes, and right when people say, this time it's going to be different. So if you panic sell during those moments, especially when you read a headline like the one about Trump crashing the market, you don't just miss the comeback, you miss all the magic of compound interest. And the point is that no one knows what happens next, but history shows one thing. The winners are the people who stay invested through the fear, through the headlines, even the ones that say Trump and the tariffs are really bad. So personally, I'm staying invested so I could get that magic of compound interest. But in the meantime, don't forget to check out the link in the description down below to get the special discount for CyberGhost VPN. The app will protect your data while you browse and give you full access to blocked content on the internet for only $2.03 a month, totally risk-free. Again, the link is down in the description below. As always, I'd love to get your thoughts. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to see you back here next week. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.